Guys, you can see my face today. We're going to continue working on two-step word problems, and today we're going to act it out, which is why you see me. So let's take a look at why would we want to act out our word problems and how is that going to help us solve them. So why do we act things out? We act things out because it is one other way to get the information into our brains. I know that when I do something, whatever it is, play basketball or baseball or football, I know how to do it because I've put it in my body. Well, we can do the same thing with our math problems. So let's take a look at it. All right. Home Depot donated 153 water bottles for the Husky Hero 5K. At the race, 117 of them were consumed. That means they drank them. At the end of the race, Mrs. Lane, Mrs. Forrest, Ms. Fletcher, and Dr. McGoy divided or split the water bottles up equally. How many water bottles did each teacher get? So, we're going to use our KWSS chart and acting it out with our hands to solve this problem. So again, what do I know? Well, I know that there are 153 water bottles and that 117 of them were consumed. I also know that Ms. Lane, Mrs. Forrest, Ms. Fletcher, and Dr. McGoy, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 teachers, split up the ones that were left. So, what do I want to know? I want to know how many water bottles did each teacher get? That one's easy, find my question. But I also need to know how many they split up, because they split up what was left after 117 of them were consumed. So I need to know how many they split up. So now where it comes to acting. What am I going to do? What operation am I using? What strategy am I going to use? Well, I'm going to start with first step. There are 153 water bottles, so I'm going to kind of hold those in my hand. It's a pretty big number. I don't have to count them out in my hand, but I'm going to pretend I'm holding 153 water bottles. At the race, 117 of them are consumed, so that means that people drink them. So 1, 2, 3, I'm getting rid of them. So my number is getting smaller. So what am I going to do? I'm going to subtract. If I've got a big number and I'm taking some away, I'm subtracting. So 153 minus 117 equals W. Those are my water bottles left. So now I've got this number, still got some left, and now I'm going to divide them or split them amongst Miss Lane, Mrs. Forrest, Miss Fletcher, and Dr. McGoy. So I'm going to give 1 to Miss Lane, 1 to Miss Forrest, and 1 to Miss Fletcher, and 1 to Dr. McGoy. And I'm going to keep doing that, passing them out, see how I'm doing it with my hands, until I don't have any more left. So if I'm passing them out, or splitting them, or dividing them, my next word or my next number sentence is going to be division. Water bottles, however many I've left, divided from these 4 people equals, I put T for the teacher water bottles. It doesn't matter what letters you use, as long as you know what they mean. All right, so now I need a strategy. For subtraction, I like that number line. I'm going to subtract on a number line. For my division problem, since I'm dividing them, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to divide them into equal groups. So let's try it. I'm going to start with this problem, my 153 minus 117. Draw my number line. I'm going to start with 117 and count up to 153. I can't add 100 because that would take me to 217, way too much, but I can add a 10. 10 will get me to 127. Another 10 will get me to 137. And another 10 will get me to 147. My goodness, I can't write today. See, Miss Forrest makes mistakes too. Can't add another 10 because that would get me too much. So now I can add ones. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. And let's count. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So the answer to W is 36. I have 36 water bottles. So now my problem is 36 divided by 4 equals T. And I'm just going to divide them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to use X's to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. This is why I tell you guys to make bigger circles. So then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each teacher gets 9 water bottles. So when I actually act out my problem and think about, okay, is my problem going to get smaller? Is my number going to get bigger? Am I going to be dividing? Am I going to be multiplying into groups? When I actually use my hands to act out the problem, I do a much better job figuring out my operation. So I can't wait to see you guys try it in class.